This is fun. And there's another egg for us. Whoa, this one's green. I wonder what's inside though. Look, we found Mickey Mouse. Here come all the Paw Patrol. There went Chase and Rocky and Rubble and Marshall and Zuma and Skye. Whoa, what was that? Let's get all of our Paw Patrol up here. But look, we found an egg. What's inside of it? Ooh, it's a funny little finger puppet monster. Rawr. It's yellow. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Hum, nom, 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 nom. That's a fun little surprise we got. So let's see all of our Paw Patrol here. There we go. There's all of our Paw Patrol. And guess what, Paw Patrol? What? Whoa! You keep getting surprise eggs out of the control center slide. Let's open this one up. Ooh, look. This one's a green dinosaur, and it's a long neck. We really like dinosaurs. This is a plant eater. Look at all these fun things we've gotten. Look, let's put them with their colors. Look. Yellow with Rubble and green with Rocky. All right, what else is coming? Ah! There's another egg. This one's blue. Blue matches Chase. So let's see what's inside. Oh, we got a funny little snail here. And look, sparkly wings. And it's green, so we can put it in front of Rocky, even though Rocky already has one. So let's get another surprise. Come on!
Hi, little Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. Are you enjoying my surprises? Yes, we are. Oh, good. Okay, then let's just keep the eggs coming. Zim, zam, shabam.
Oh, Marty, he's the one bringing us all of our eggs. There just popped in a pink egg. Let's see what's in our pink egg. Ooh, we got a fun little popper animal. Look, it's a cute little pig. Oink, 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 oink. And then what happens when we flip this? It turns into a cow. Let's see. Let's flip to pink so we can put our pink pig so we can put it in front of Skye. This is fun. And there's another egg for us. Whoa, this one's green. I wonder what's inside though. Look, we found Mickey Mouse. Look at his cute ears and his red shorts. Mickey Mouse. Hi, everybody. Let's put him by Marshall because he has red pants and Marshall wears red. Whoa, there went another egg. This one's yellow. Let's see what's inside. Another fun little animal. Look, this one looks like a yellow wolf or a yellow dog, and we get a purple hippo out of it. Let's keep it on yellow and put it in front of Rubble. This is so fun. All right, let's get another egg. Whoa, did you see that egg? It's ginormous, and look, it has a fun little face on it. This must be a special surprise since it's big. Ooh, it's a fun little caterpillar. Look how cute. It has glittery eyes, and look, it has rainbow on it. Has orange, yellow, green, blue, another blue, purple, and that looks like red. Look how cute he is. Doo, 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 doo. So we can just put him by any because he has rainbow. We'll put him by Zuma. Whoa, and there's another egg. This one's red. Boop. Whoa, that's a fun surprise. Look, it's a red race car. Let's race him. Whoa, he's not that fast, but whoa, knocked over our fun little pig. Let's put that surprise by Marshall. I wonder how, whoop, he's still driving. Let's see another egg. This one's purple. Oh, we found a fun little bird popper. This one's a blue bird. Let's watch him pop. Oh! Whoa, he's going all over the place. Whoops. And it's blue, so we're gonna put him right by Chase. Here comes another egg. This one's orange. But look what we have on the inside. We have our blue genie. And he belongs right next to Chase. Now let's do our last egg. There it is. This is our very last egg. It's purple. Pop. Oh, and look what we found. Oh, it looks like we found a cute little skunk right here. She has green eyes, so we can put her by Rocky. All right, those are all of our surprises from Marty and our control center.
So let's see what's going to happen next.
One. No! Oh, look, it popped the egg open and he got another scrambled egg. Hi guys, we have this super funny chicken game we're gonna play with today with all of our Paw Patrol.
Hi little earthlings, it's me, Marty the Martian. And I gotta get you a dice so you can play your funny chicken game. Zim zam shabam.
There's our dice. Now we can play. Okay, let's get started, Paw Patrol. Rocky, how about you go first? Rocky got the number 3, so he has to push on the chicken 3 times. Let's move these out of the way in case something happens with our chicken. Oh my goodness, Rocky! Okay, Rocky, you made it hatch. Now we have this funny egg that popped out. And we're gonna see what comes out. Oh, you got a scrambled egg. That means you don't win anything. So let's put our chicken back in here. Close this up. And let's do our next Paw Patrol with Marshall. Marshall got the number 2. 1, 2. Ooh, he's safe. Now let's do Chase. Chase, you got the number 3. 1, 2. You popped the chicken again. Let's see what your egg is. It's a scrambled egg too. That means you don't get anything. Let's turn the chicken this way so you guys can see when the egg comes out. All right, Zuma, your turn. Oh, Zuma only got 1. 1. How about Rubble? 1. Rubble got 1. And Skye got 1. Ooh, it's Rocky's turn. 1 again. Oh, Marshall. Marshall got 2. 1. No! Oh, look, it popped the egg open and he got another scrambled egg. When is he ever gonna get a chicken? Let's do it again. All right, Chase, it's your turn. Chase got 1. How about Azuma? Azuma got 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look, the chicken didn't pop out. Oh, where'd it go? We gotta try that again. We gotta pop the chicken out. Ooh, Zuma, you got a chicken. That means you get one of these fun tokens. Woohoo! Okay, let's close our chicken back up. And that means it's Rubble's turn. Rubble got 1. How about Skye? Skye got 2. Rocky got 2. Oh, Marshall. 2. Marshall. Oh no, look. Marshall got a scrambled egg. It looks like Zuma's going to be the winner here. All right, Chase, it's your turn. Oh, Chase only got 1. How about Zuma again? Zuma got 3. 1, 2, 3. Nope. How about Rubble? 3. Ah! Look! Rubble got a chicken. That means he gets a token. This is fun. All right. Skye, it's your turn. She got 2. What? Skye, look! She got a chicken too, right on the first one. Wow, look! All of these 3 have chickens now. Okay, let's do it one more time. Let's see, where's the other half of my egg? You guys were hiding it. Okay, Rocky, your turn. Rocky got 2. Marshall, 1. Chase, 2. And Zuma, 2. Rubble, 1. Rubble! Oh, look! Rubble got another chicken. There we go, look. Rubble got 2 chickens. Zuma and Skye both got 1. That means Rubble wins. Good job, Rubble. You got all the chickens. Woohoo, Rubble! Good job.
Okay, you guys. That's it with this story and our Paw Patrol being all nice. Good job, Rubble. Now, let's see what's going to happen next. Hi, guys. Subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim zam shabam. Oh look, here's some videos you can watch. It's going to be super fun.